today. Curacao will steal your heart away. Luxury, vibe, creativity. This carnival is pure quality. January starts the tradition. Open parade, pure celebration. The streets are jumping, feel the heat. So much flavor, dancing feet.
Carnival queen shining bright.
Youth looking ready tonight.
Prince and Pancho raise the sound.
The whole island's turning around. Welcome to the Carnival of Curacao. Dance, dance, lose control. Welcome to the Carnival of Curacao. Feel the tumba, feel the soul. Welcome to the Carnival of Curacao. Woo! Four parades for you to see. Each one brings its own energy. Grand parade takes over time. The whole island's losing its mind. Youth parade with fire and passion. Teens bring rhythm, style and action. Bandaboo sounds strong and loud. Every color, every crowd.
Tumba festival starts the show.
Roses let their talent flow.
The winning song will lead the way.
Guiding all the parades that day. Hands up high, let the drum never stop. Woo! Welcome to the Carnival of Curacao. 2 full weeks of celebration. Welcome to the Carnival of Curacao. Great music, strong tradition. Welcome to the Carnival of Curacao.
Dance until the morning sun.
Welcome to the Carnival of Curacao. This party beats like one heart, one.
Tuesday night it comes to an end. At 12 o'clock the vibes all bend. Calm and reflection then begin. But Carnival lives deep within.
You're all invited, come and stay.
Curacao invites you to celebrate.
Carnival